Okay, y'all, so this is not supposed to be happening in Texas, but we're getting snow again. How fun is that? Not so much. Most of it melted yesterday, but looks like we're getting more today. But it will be almost 60 on Sunday. Thank you, Jesus. This is a little bit of what we've been doing. We go between our generator and our power box. Right now we have power, which is exciting. And this is, I think, the longest we've had power without using the generator. Hopefully they stay warm. It looks like our chickies are doing okay. These ones are hiding.